Hello everyone and welcome back. In my last video, Street Art Part 2, I showed you this artwork out the front of the Mish building. At the time, I wasn't able to find out who the artist was, but I have now, and the artist is Alastair Mooney. I definitely recommend checking out his artwork, and I will leave his links down in the description below. In today's video, I will be bringing you another tutorial. This tutorial is of a silhouette dolphin and night sky painting. Don't forget to leave a like or comment, or if you are new here, hi, welcome, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell. If you don't know where the notification bell is, it is the bell-shaped icon located next to the subscribe button. Okay, let's get started. To start off with, go in with black paint covering up the area where the dolphin silhouette will be going. Next, do the same for where the moon is going to be placed using grey paint. Paint has dried and I have stuck down masking tape, and now I am painting over the masking tape areas with blue and black paint to start creating the background. Apply some purple paint and blend it into the black and blue. Using some white paint, creating a brighter area and a glow around the moon, and then blending it downwards and around in a spiral. Apply some curved lines with white paint, blending it out and lightening the area around the dolphin. Going in with blue and white paint to create the water at the bottom, layer and blending it out, later going in with black to create a shadow. Here I am applying black paint, outlining and filling in a rock in the corner, and on the top of the rock painting in a tree outline with a thin paintbrush and filling in the tree trunk. Here I am just applying more layers to the water. Continue doing this until you are happy with it, and tapping white and blue paint up to the bottom of the dolphin's tail to create splashes of water. Apply white paint to the tip of a cotton swab and dab it onto the painting, creating little white blossoms to the branches. Time to peel off the masking tape. If the paint bleeds under the tape, you can just fix it up by adding the colour you used under the tape to a thin paintbrush and cover those areas where the paint bled. Once I finished fixing up the moon, I applied more blossoms. Next, highlight the tree a little bit. I then decided to brighten the sky up a little bit more by watering down some white and blue paint, placing some curved lines and blending it out into the background as you can see me doing here, and then fix up the blossoms and branches. To make the moon look like it is appearing from behind the tree, extend the branch that is next to the moon out across the moon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, leave a like or comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell if you did enjoy this video to be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, stay creative. Bye!